Good day, Jamaican insiders. Welcome back to the channel. In this one, we're in Moneague, still in Moneague. As you may know, we have other videos from Moneague that we did recently. They're showing you the highway that will pass through this section as well. Well, a section of the highway that will pass through Moneague. So for some reason, I've never seen the soil in Jamaica to be this color. It reminds me of Grand Canyon. Not that I've ever been there, but from the videos and the pictures that I've seen, this right here, this section especially, reminds me of Grand Canyon in the United States. Anyway guys, I hope you will enjoy this one. Just buckle up, relax, and let me know in the comment section your thoughts of it. And if you like this video, by all means hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so now. Alright, and click the notification bell for all so you will know when a new video is uploaded. So right now I'm in Walkerswood, and you may know Walkerswood is well known for having the best jerk seasoning. Well, the company Walkerswood, that is well known for having the best jerk seasoning. Passing by the Walkerswood Methodist Church. Very nice looking building. Here on our right is the Walkerswood Basic and All Age School. Whenever I'm in this area, I always have to stop at Lyming, this restaurant here in Walkerswood. Pretty well known. Let's have a closer look. Straight ahead, we're looking at the Walkerswood Post Office. So let me know in the comment section, what are your views of Walkerswood here in St. Anne? As you can see, it's a rural community, very nice and quiet with lots of greenery, lush vegetation, very nice place. I would definitely live here. Would you? Let me know in the comment section. If you've liked this video, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't done so as yet. Thank you so much. Stick and stay, other videos are coming up.